Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been since 3:30 to about 5:30, and I just wanted to show you our pot of gumbo. As you can see, it has a rich color, and you want that. You can see that it's not watery, and it's not thick like a stew. So right now I'm just letting it sit. As you can see, I have crab, I have drumettes, sausage. The shrimp is somewhere in here. Oh, there we go. I have shrimp. So this is how it came out, and I know it's gonna be good. We're gonna plate this gumbo in about 30 minutes. I'm just letting it soak. So you want to have that consistency like this. You don't want it too watery. See that? And also we have the okra is in here.
Let's see that okra. Oh yeah.
As you can see it's in there. And the meat is tender.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Because I air fried after I
smells good too, guys.
Air fried the chicken before I put it inside of here. It's a family tradition. This is how we do.
What you said you did to the chicken?
I just air fried it. See how it's falling off the bone?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And also I cut my sausage, not too big, not too small, to a considerable size. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. Some pictures will be coming later. Those crabs are real juicy, and I made sure to fry the crabs, simmer them real good before I put them to the pot. Look at that. Okay, thank you.